ahogándote, apretándote, todo estrujándote.
Baby, tú tienes tu novia, yo me enredé en tu piel.
Everyone, my name is Maria Luñova and welcome to my channel. This tutorial for you, and today we're dancing with the song Culpables. And let's go. We start from 1 and right legs go to side, and I will do circle with my hip. I will do 1, 2, 3, touch. And again, 1, 2, 3, touch. Your hands go up, and I will do my left hand, do it circle. Yes. With the hips. 1, 2, 3, and touch. 4. Yes. And we prepare our arms. Again. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we do little footwork. Left leg go forward. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again. 1 and 2 and 3. And here our arms go up. 4. And my right leg go up. From the top. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yay! Continue. I will do basic to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll do turn to the left. 5, 6, 7, touch. Again. And basic 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, with the hands. 1, 2, again. 3, 4. I will do turn to the left. 5, 6. And I will do 2 head rolls. 7 and 8. Yes, and I will up. I will do wave. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. We have 2 head rolls. 1, 7, 8, and second with the 1. 1. And I will do wave. 2, 3, 4. Yay. Let's go again. From the top. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. My arms do this. Cross, turn, and go with the head. Boom. Yeah. I work my heel. I will do 5, 6. Yes. And my arm, left arm, go back. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I will do basic and go back, touch. And here my hips do it. Circle, 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 touch. Again. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when I will do the circle with my hips, my right arm do this. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we do preparation. Again. From the wave, and 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, heel, hand, hand, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hip, hip, and preparation. 8. Continue. I will do turn to the right, and my arms do it like this. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. With the turn. I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, my right hand's going to the inside. 5, 6, 7, 8. Preparation with the arms. Again, from the turn. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When I will do my arms, I will do little wave, little bit. Yes, from the top. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. Hip, hip. 7, 8. Go. Turn. 2, 3, 4. Inside. 7. Preparation. Okay, let's go. Continue. We go Madrido step. I will do 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And here 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Here I will do a little circle with my right hip. I will do 1, 2, back, touch, twist, twist, cha, cha, cha. And here I will do with the hip, hip, hip. Yes, touch. Okay, again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here, step to the left side. 5 and 6. 7, touch. Yes, again. 1, 2, 3, touch. 5 and 6. 7, 8. Again, from the Madrido step. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and cha, cha, cha. Hip, 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 touch. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Here, yes, I will do down and up. When I will do footwork, my right arm going down, up, and slip. Yes, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Yes, I will do 6 and 7 and 8. Yes. And then we do step cross. 1 and 2, step back and touch. And here I will do turn forward. 5, 6, 7, touch. Yes, this is really, really slowly. With the arms, I will do basic, basic, and 4. Yes, 4. My elbow go down. Yes, 4. And when I do turn, I will do head roll. I will do head to the right, circle to the left, this 6, and here 7, my head go up. 7 and 8. Yes. When I will do 8, my head return to the normal. Yeah. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Head roll. 5, 6, and 7. And 7 and 8. Yes. Here we prepare our right arm for this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Yay! This is our routine. Yes, again, from the cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hip, 3, hip, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yes. When you do step, you need to work your hip. 1 and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Yay, this is all choreography, and we do one more time with me with the count. Let's go. From the top. 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, head 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and cha-cha-cha. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! You very good. I hope you enjoy. And now we try to dance a little bit faster. Please try to be clean and don't forget about your arms and about your hip. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and cha-cha, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Okay guys, this is all routine and thank you so much to be here and please subscribe to my channel here in YouTube, Waiting with the new choreo, and dance my choreo, tag me and I will be so happy. Mwah!